How to recover or restore WhatsApp chats without backup. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to recover those deleted chats but without backup. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First, open the File Manager or My Files on your Android device. Once you open it, you have to scroll down and then select Internal Storage at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now this section you have to simply select Android and now select Media. Once you have got on this page, you need to select com.whatsapp and then select the WhatsApp option. Now select Databases. Now on this page, as you can see here, different kinds of files of different file size. So you need to simply tap and hold this all the files. So these are all the WhatsApp backup that has been created by WhatsApp and saved on databases every day. So tap on three dots at the top right corner and now select copy to option. Go to internal storage and select Android. Again media com.whatsapp option, and here you can add new folder or you can select on WhatsApp and now select databases, and here you can add new folder and now select copy to folder option. Once you have done that, all your deleted chats will be recovered or restored soon on WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and then see you in the next video.